Hi. Well, regular viewers, if I have any, will know that I often look at trees and listen for wind noise to get an idea of the speed of the wind. I'm in the car, and even in the car you can hear the wind. Look at those trees, they're going a good one. Now, I'm just at Humber Head's peatlands, and there's loads and loads of wind turbines visible. These in the foreground is Thorn, appalling wind farm, and they are, to be fair, going around fairly fast. But I don't know if you can see in the background. I might go for a closer inspection. That's across the other side of the Peatlands Nature Reserve, if you can call it a nature reserve, between two wind farms. In fact, there's three. They're not going around at all. That's Goole Fields, and I don't know if a camera can make it out. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh excuse the van, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stationary wind turbines. Alright, these ones at Thorn, they are going round and it is windy. I'm going to go for a closer investigation. In this wind there are 16 industrial wind turbines not even going round. That's bizarre and that is obscene. Let's go and have a look. Okay, I've just driven north through the village of Moor End, and this is Goole Fields wind farm, and it's just a few moments, you can see, very strong, well not very strong, but strong wind. The obvious movement of the grass, trees, way loads and loads of movement. But some are going, but most aren't. Let's have a look. I'll try to work out if there's any patterns of the ones that are going round and the ones that aren't. Interesting. None of them are going at all. I was wondering if there may be some new turbines being put in that have not been powered yet, but then when you look around, you see some there in the middle of the old, or in the middle of all that activity, which just aren't going around at all. Look what it does to a landscape. And in terms of cumulative effect, where I was a few moments ago, there you go, that's Fawn. That's Fawn. That's Goole Fields. Can you see in the distance? There's another one there. I forget the name of it, something like Two Rivers or something. They always sound nice and quaint, the names. You've got that wind farm there. You've got Goole Fields there. Well, it was Fields. And you've got Thorn there. And in the middle of all that is an RSPB nature reserve. Humber Head's Peatlands. Unbelievable. And I'd really like to know what it's done to bird populations and stuff. But it's certainly not a wilderness anymore, is it? It's surrounded there, there, and there by wind turbines, some of which are going round very fast, and some of which aren't moving at all. They're doing nothing. The plot thickens. My God. Look at that. At least he's doing something. Whereas they doing nothing. It's green and pleasant land. Goole Fields.